Good morning, my dear student. I am here with a very new fresh video of removal of 2. In this is actually a practice session in which I am just going to solve some questions to show you how to remove. This is actually a practical class in which the questions get solved. Okay, it is too much for me. It is too much for me. What do you think? The very first question is it is too hot for me. It is too hot for me. Remove two. It is too hot. I am just writing here. Please mention it. It is so hot that I can't bear it. Okay. This would be the answer of this question. Please read this. I am reading it. It is so. Instead of to, I have used so. Okay, as usual, adjective or adverb is here, and for me, this would be changed into a new clause, and I can't bear it. Me is the objective form, and I have just changed because we have used that as a conjunction, and after that we need a subject, so I have changed me into I. I can't bear it. This would be the answer. And now let's talk about the second question. Mohan is too active not to work. What do you think? What would be the answer? Mohan is too active not to work. Mohan is so active that he works. Why I have used works here? Because the whole sentence is in present form, so I have used. If the sentence is in past form, you are free to use past form of the verbs. Okay, this would be the answer. I think these two is very much clear. And let's move to the third portion. There's a very, I think this would be the very typical portion for you. He had too much. He had too much. Just think over that what would be the transformation, or what would be the answer if you remove two here. He ate too much. He ate too much. What do you think? He ate very much. He ate so much that he can't. No, this would not be the answer because the sense is going far away from the given question. So please try to solve in a very proper manner. He ate too much. What do you think? He ate too much. I am just going to tell you the answer, but before that I would like to show you that how these type of sentences get transformed into some another form. He ate too much. He ate more than enough. This would be the answer. He ate more than enough. He ate more than always. Remember, my dear students, that these type of, whenever you come across these type of questions, please try to solve in this way. You are free to use more, you are free to use over, you are free to use enough, and so many. Just like I am just going to tell you a question. She is just mentioned on your notebooks that the question is, I am just repeating it. She is being too kind. She is being too kind. What would be the answer? She is being too kind. Think over that. Okay, think over that. I have just solved this one, and just try to solve that question. She is too proud to learn. What would be the answer? The next question is, she is too proud to learn. She is so proud. She is so proud that she can't learn. Okay, this would be the answer. This is too, she is too proud to learn. She is so proud that she can't learn. This will be the answer. One thing I would like to mention here, that if the sentence is in affirmative form, if the sentence remains in affirmative form, just change it into negative, and if the sentence or if the given question is in affirmative form, just change into negative and negative into affirmative. You can say that we have to change affirmative into negative, negative into affirmative while removing to from the sentences. Okay, and now move to the last question, that is it is too much for us. What do you think? What would be the answer? It is too much for us. It is too much for us. What do you think? It is too much for us. It is too much for us. It is so bad that we can't bear it. This would be the answer. This would be the right answer. It is too much for us. It is too much for us. Just think over that. It is too much for us. Something is very much enough for us. But logically, this is not a true sentence because everyone wants some more, some more. Okay, let's talk to the topic. It is too much for us. I'm just going to write here. It is so bad. You can also use shocking instead of bad here. It is so bad that we can't bear it. One more thing, my dear student, that you have to go through the sense of the question, and you are free to use any type of words in your sentence to clarify its meaning. Okay, we will meet in some another video with transformation of sentences. This is only a subtopic, and all the portions of removal of to has been covered, and now in my next video we will discuss some other subtopics of transformation. Okay, thank you.